Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your language on iPhone. How to change your iPhone language. To change the language, it's very simple and basic to do, and I'm gonna be showing you that in less than 60 seconds. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your device. So let's go to settings. So once you get to settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on general. So let's tap on general. So once we tap on general, it will take you to this page. On this page, what we want to do is very simple. You just want to scroll down and look for where we have language and region. You just want to tap on that language and region. So let's tap on language and region here. So once you tap on the language and region, it will take you to this page. So on this page, if you check the upper top, you are going to see English over there. That means my default language for this phone is set to English. If you are in any other country, maybe non-English speaking country, you can actually do this. So what you want to do to change your language, you just want to tap on add language. So once you tap on add language, it will show you on the languages you can select or you can use on iPhone. We have the Chinese, we have the Japanese, we have the Spanish, we have Dutch, we have Portuguese, we have all sorts of languages here. So you just want to select the language you want. Once you tap on, let's say I want to change this phone language to Portuguese. I'll just tap on Portuguese, that is Brazil. Once you tap on it, it will show you this confirmation page. That is, it will ask you, would you like to use Portuguese as your primary language? You just want to tap on use Portuguese as my primary language. Once you do that, it is going to change your iPhone language to Portuguese. So guys, this is how you can actually change your language on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.